appender class. Not interface, class only, guys. Let me confirm. All layout classes extends from layout classes extends from layout interface. What interface, guys? Layout interface. Just a minute. I just want to confirm whether it is interface or class. I don't generally give information. org dot log4j dot come on, log4j dot layout. Yes, I think it's an interface, right? I think it's an interface. No, layout is class, ra babu. Layout is class. Abstract class layout. Come on, guys, it's a class. Next, appender you observe. Appender you observe. This is an interface. Appender is an interface. Layout is a class. Daily rolling. See, so many things are there. Socket attempter, this one. It's an interface. Okay. Implements from implements extends from. Yeah, package name here and there, that's not an issue, boss. Now listen. Okay, log4j architecture. Log4j architecture. Yeah, I'll change, guys. Architecture. Log4j architecture. Tell me here what? Appender is an interface. Definitely appender is an interface. I think. Log4j architecture, guys. Now listen. I have a small diagram to give, boss. It's a known diagram. So far we have spent time on these components. Paintbrush, guys. Collect it, paste it. Come to this log4j architecture. Yeah. To save the time, I am doing it. Okay. So now listen. Logging information comes to logger object. Logger object they gives to appender object. Come on. Logger object gives to appender object. Appender object gets how to format the messages, from layout object, and it will be writing to destination. It will be writing that one to destination. Come on, guys. It will be writing that one to destination. Are you listening? People intentionally switching on the cameras. If you are a boy or a girl, you never switch on the camera. If you belongs to third gender, then only you will switch on your camera. Only third gender people won't get control on camera device, guys. Because they are having defects in the body, na? That's why they don't get control on the camera. Okay, now whoever opens camera, intentionally, unknowingly, whatever it is, I will treat him as a third gender person. Now we will see who is ready to lose his gender for the sake of what? Okay, Baba Sai Ram Jampani, are you third gender person? Baba Sai Ram, are you third gender person? That means he has intentionally. Okay, guys. Now listen. Here is my level object. Here is my log manager. Here is my filter object. Here is my what? Object render object. These are the supporting these are the supporting objects, guys. Level to specify logger level for rendering messages. Log manager will control all the log messages. Filter object is useful to filter log messages. Render is used to give log messages to appender object. These are supporting objects, guys. These are the core objects. The green color one are the supporting objects. See this? Support objects. Black color one is core objects. And yellow color is Java program. All these things are happening within the Java program. I hope you understood my point. Okay, boss. I hope you are understanding my statement here or not. Right. No, actually I should draw it, but I am just using ready-made diagram because I found it's very interesting, colors and all this stuff. Okay. With this, our introduction of Log4j is completed. Now what is left, guys? Application development. Okay. We will see our first application without wasting time, guys. Today we'll give basic idea. So first application, simple layout console appender. What is our first application, guys? Simple layout and console appender. That's it. Nothing great. Browse. Let me get into my workshops. Here Log4j is already there. Okay, then I will take one more folder. Log4j 2021. Log4j 2021. I will take this one as the folder. I'm launching my my chat box got stuck up, guys. Let me check messages. I am not able to see. Yes, guys. Procedure to develop first application having Log4j log messages. Log4j log messages in Eclipse IDE. In Eclipse IDE. Step number 1. Download Log4j -1.2.7 file from mvnrepository.com. mvnrepository.com or from or other website, your choice. Wherever you feel comfortable, do it. Yes, already I have downloaded, boss. We are having that one. If you go to downloads folder, you can see that Log4j -1.2.17, whatever it is. 1.2.17, that is there. 1.2.17. Yes, guys, this is one jar file. Okay, here also let me add one. Step number 2. Create Java project. Create Java project in Eclipse IDE. And add the above jar file. Add the above jar file to it. Add the above jar file to it. Yes, guys. Add the above jar file to it. Yeah, if you are interested, you can use Maven also. Those you know Mavens use Maven, but I have to keep everyone in mind now. That's why I'm using normal project. Okay, guys. RTA, what is this? File new. All this process, you know. If you don't know these things, don't come for tomorrow's class. If you don't know what is Eclipse, what is Java project, please don't come. Okay, guys. Now tell me here. Project name is what? Project name is Log4j. Any name you can give, boss. Log4j Pros1. Log4j Pros1. Say next. Say finish. Okay. Don't create any modules, guys. Don't open any prospect. Right. Right click. Build path. Configure build path. A regular one. Okay. Libraries. Class path. Add external jars. Here is my downloads option. Where is downloads option? Log4j. If you know Maven, use Maven. Otherwise, just use this one. In referenced libraries, Log4j has come or not? Okay, boss. Fine. Okay. No, I didn't import zip file. I have imported jar only. Jar. Oh, zip has come. Sorry. Okay. Zip has come. Let me take the jar. Okay, I'll add this jar, boss. Both are one and the same. Give me 2 minutes time, guys. Guys, everyone please come back. Everyone please come back. Right, boss? Okay. Now I'm taking one JDBC application, guys. I'm taking one JDBC application by creating one package. com.nt.jdbc. com.nt.jdbc. Oh, zip has come now. Let me add. Okay, no problem. Let me replace zip with jar. Let me replace zip with jar. Okay, this I have to remove class path, add external jars. Okay, where is this? Extract files. Extract files. Yes, extract. Yes, we got it. We got it. Log4j version. So apply this. Done this. com.nt.jdbc. This is done, boss. Right. Now 1 minute. This jar is added, boss. Okay. How to get from MVN repository? How to get the jar from a mvnrepository.com? Just search for log4j. Log4j 1.2, something like that. Search for it. Click on search. Apache log4j 1.2. Apache log4j 1.2. 1.2.7. 1.2.7. You have to click on this jar word was. You have to click on this jar. Where is this? Why it is not coming? POM bundle. Yeah, you have to click on this bundle word. When you click on bundle word, download will start, guys. This is the URL. Come on. I think this is very easy, not a great thing, boss. Done. From there you can download, guys, jar file to the build path. Okay. Right, boss? Right. If they're fine. Manali Tapare, am I using Maven or am I downloading, boss? Am I downloading? Please think in that angle. I'm using download option, right? I'm not adding to pom.xml, my dear. Done, boss. Jar is added. com.nt.jdbc. Okay. To avoid wastage of classroom time, guys. Okay. I'm taking one ready-made JDBC application which is already developed by me in some other place. Okay, guys. Now tell me here. Okay. G Drive, workspaces. Now tell me, Advanced Java, 415, JDBC. I think I have one application, select test 1. I'll take one application, select test only I will take, guys. First application, something. Fine. Save paste. Save paste. Right. Okay, to write this code, I think I need to have one OJDBC 6.jar also with me. I should have OJDBC 6.jar. Come on. Why? Because this application is planning to talk with the database software now, boss. Add external jars for connectivity purpose OJDBC 6.jar. This PC, C drive. Here is my OJDBC 6.jar. Oh, 1 minute. Mistake. I have to get into Oracle folder. This PC, C drive, Oracle exe, not that. Oracle exe, then search for OJDBC 6.jar. Yes, guys. Array, in one side it is coming now. Okay, it's a IDE problem, boss. Don't worry. Why red color is coming, my dear? Red color should not come. Why red color is coming? Package does not match. Yes, I have to take in a package, nothing else. Package com.nt.jdbc. com.nt.jdbc. Yes, we have to move this application to that place. Save this one, guys. Right. Okay. Font color I have to change, guys. Okay. Black color scheme is manageable. I'll do something and I'll wind up. General appearance, colors and fonts, basic text font, edit, guys, bold. What is this? Bold, what is this? Calibri is my favorite one. Okay. See this. Apply. Okay. Yes, boss. Now we are ready, boss. Now here, what is the desire we kept, guys? Procedure to develop first application having log4j log message in Eclipse IDE, right? Using what is that? File appender and simple layout. What layout, guys? Simple layout. Simple layout. Okay. Everyone is getting file append. First we use console appender only. Basic one we use. Console appender only we use, guys. Console appender. Console appender and this. Now listen. Yeah, today I may not develop complete code, but I will write here. Private static. Acha, 1 minute. We are getting issues with this one. Wait. I'll